Hey, it's Alex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make smarter purchasing decisions that help you cut costs, boost efficiency, and get the most value out of every dollar your business spends. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply the smarter buying method, a simple, proven framework that transforms the way that you make business purchases and helps you avoid costly mistakes that drain your profits. What this means for your business is that you'll start making decisions that aren't just about spending less, it's about spending correctly. You'll gain more clarity, better control, and a higher ROI from every investment that you make. Before we dive in, I just want to tell you about our 90-day profit growth journey. It's a hands-on accountability program where we help you identify hidden costs, optimize your operations, and grow your profits in just 90 days or your money back guaranteed. If you're serious about cutting costs and improving your margins, check out the link in the description below where you can join. So let's be real. Have you ever looked at your business expenses and thought, where did all that money go? You're not alone. So many business owners overspend without realizing. They buy tools, equipment, or inventory that doesn't truly move the needle. And before they know it, cash flow gets tough. Most of the time, overspending isn't about recklessness, it's about the lack of structure. There's no clear system guiding what gets bought, when, and why. So decisions get made on impulse or convenience rather than strategy. So here's the thing, every dollar your business spends is a vote for the future you're building. So the goal isn't just to spend less, it's to spend smarter. So that's where the smarter buying method comes in. It's an evolution of the classic SMART goals concept, but built specifically for business purchasing decisions. It gives you a structured framework to evaluate every buy so you can be confident that each purchase adds real value to your business. Here's what it stands for: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, evaluated, and reviewed. Let's break down each of these and look at how you can apply them directly in your business. The first is specific. Be crystal clear on what you're buying and why. Ask, we need inventory management software that integrates X and saves us 10 hours per week. Being specific eliminates confusion and helps your team align around the real goal. Measurable. Decide how you will measure success before you spend a single cent. What does a good purchase look like? Maybe it's reducing manual work, or improving delivery times, or cutting storage costs by 15%. Having measurable criteria means you can actually prove whether a purchase was worth it. Achievable. Ask yourself, is this purchase realistic given your current resources and priorities? Sometimes businesses overspend on big solutions they're not ready to use effectively. Start with what fits capacity right now. You can always scale up later. Relevance. Every purchase should support your business strategy. If your goal is to improve cash flow, investing in a tool that speeds up collections makes sense. But spending on something flashy that doesn't move you toward your objectives is just noise. Time-bound. Set a deadline for making and implementing the purchase. Deadlines create momentum and accountability. Otherwise, decisions just drag out, opportunities are missed, and problems, they just linger. Evaluated. After every purchase, review the impact. Did it deliver on what you expected? Was it worth the cost? Evaluation turns every purchase into a learning experience, and that's how you continuously improve your buying process. Finally, build your regular reviews into your operations. Don't just evaluate once, revisit your spending habits monthly or quarterly. Ask, are we still using what we bought? Is it still giving us value? This simple habit prevents waste and keeps your business lean. So I'll give you an example. A mid-sized tech company was constantly frustrated with software purchases that didn't deliver. Teams were using 5 different tools that barely talked to each other, costing them time, money, and productivity. So they adopted the smarter buying framework. They started by specifying exactly what they needed, one integrated software solution that could handle inventory, forecasting, and reporting. They made it measurable by setting KPIs, reduced time spent on manual reports by 50%, and improved data accuracy by 20%. The purchase was achievable within their budget and relevant to their growth strategy. They set a time-bound goal to select and implement a software within 6 weeks. Then they evaluated the results after 3 months and saw measurable ROI, more accurate stock data, and better cash flow visibility. Finally, they reviewed their entire purchasing process quarterly and kept on improving it. That one shift saved them over $60,000 in the first year, simply by implementing the smarter framework about how they bought. So if you're running a business, every purchase does have an opportunity cost. Spend it in the wrong place and you lose the chance to invest in something that truly drives growth. The smarter buying method gives you the structure to make intentional, strategic decisions, not just emotional or reactive ones. It helps you focus on long-term gains rather than short-term fixes. Over time, these small improvements compound, giving you leaner options, stronger margins, and more money to reinvest into growth. Now, if you found this helpful and want to take your business to the next level, this is exactly what we work on inside the 90-Day Profit Growth Journey. It's a hands-on program where we help you identify your biggest cost leaks in your business, implement smarter systems, and grow your profits, all backed by measurable results. We track your improvements every week, and if you don't see tangible results by the end of the 90 days, you get your money back. That's how confident we are in the process. So, are you ready to start buying smarter or growing stronger? Remember, every purchase is a chance to either grow your business or weigh it down. Make it count. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.